Hi viewers, good afternoon everyone, good evening, good morning depending on where you're watching from. To my lovely subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. For those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, subscription is free guys. Subscribe to this channel to also get you notified anytime I post interesting video that is going to be helping you to retain your hairlines. So today video I'm going to be applying egg, because sometimes you have to apply egg on your hair. So I'm mixing it. What you see me pounding here is my sunflower seed. I hope you all understand what sunflower seed is and what it looks like. So this is my sunflower seed. That is exactly what I'm pounding. So this sunflower seed, after pounding it, I am going to be mixing it with egg. So guys, if you're using a blender, please do. Blender can help to fasten this work. So remember, if you are using a mortar, make sure you pound into a powder form. Though this has oil, you can see how it's coming. It's sticking together because of the oil content in it. Sunflower contains a natural oil in it that is going to be helping your hair to as in moisturized. So this is time for me to scoop it out. So guys, let's go there. And after this, I'm going to be adding a little water to mix it up. Guys, it looks like I am rushing in this video. I am rushing. So I'm going to be scooping it out. Then after that, I'm going to be adding a little water to mix it very well. So why adding water is to extract all the nutrients. So that is the essence of adding water, to extract all the nutrients in it. Based on I'm going to be adding it, mixing it together. So I don't want, and also I'm going to be straining it. So why straining it? So you have to add water to strain it, to strain out the nutrients, so that there won't be particles mixed together with the egg. Because trust me, if you don't strain it, you are going to be doing a lot of hard work to remove the particles from your hair. So that is actually the main point of adding water, to strain out the nutrients from the particles. So this is the week I use the weak cap. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys when I was covering the mortar. So this is actually a weak cap. So this is time for me to strain my sunflower seed here. So this weak cap is going to be helping you. There won't be any particles passing out. So this is best for me, guys. This recap, it has already had faults. I'm just saying it now. I'm just saying it now, guys. So anyone you know you can use, you can go ahead and do that. So guys, there is something I want you to understand, that you can't be trying to grow a longer hair and you will not be making impact on your hair. You won't be investing on your hair. So these are the things that you need to be doing on your hair if you have a longer hair and you want to retain length. So this is for you guys. This is for you. That is why I said you should subscribe to my channel to also get you notified anytime I post interesting video that is going to be helping you. So because I didn't notice that my wig cap has a little turn, so you can see the little particles pass by. So I didn't know. So I have to scoop it out because I don't want it to stick on my daughter's hair. So after this, I'm going to break my egg. Guys, this is where the main dish comes in. You see, egg. Once in a while, you have to be applying egg on your hair to steam your hair. To steam, it is very very important. Egg is very as in is a huge treatment to your hair. Egg will deeply strengthens and hydrate your hair. Egg repairs damaged hair and boosts shine and increase hair elasticity, which help to reduce breakage, freaks, and fleet ends. Egg mass as in is very good in stimulating the scalp, promoting a healthy strong scalp. If you have a damaged hair, your hair is not really growing, your hair is so tiny, just try this combo, these two combo. and come and thank me later, and try to be consistent in it. So guys, I love you all. This is the end of this video. I will not be applying this on my daughter's hair in this video. See you on my next video. Bye bye.